I'm Miguel. This is Austin. And together, we're broke.
We're broke.
We're pretty broke because my Taiwan twirly boys got here.
Respect.
Yeah, buddy. Y'all see this shit, man? As you guys know, I'm trying to modernize the Z, and as part of it is getting some new turbos. So we're gonna unbox my new 2560 turbos. The box is so nice.
It's got a race car on it. It's got a Formula 1 car on it.
That's how you know it's serious business. All right, let's crack these bad boys open, man.
You have a knife? Because I don't have a knife.
Oh yeah, I've got a knife.
You got... Oh jeez. Is this marble? What is this, pearl?
That's abalone, baby.
Is that a bologna knife?
It's that boar's head knife.
That boar's head knife. I just
That boar's head bologna knife. Fresh listeria. See? Oh, it's alive. Yo, oh man, turbos are heavy. Oh my goodness, look at this thing.
That thing's massive.
It gets the job done. So these are 2560s from Concept Z with billet wheels. Come here, look at this shininess. So what they do is they take the CHRAs out, machine new wheels out of billet aluminum, put them in there, balance the turbos, and what it does is it allows you to spin these turbos up more than the normal ones, giving me an extra, I don't know, maybe 50 horsepower. These are rated for like 650. You never want to max out your turbo. So I think I'm gonna be in a good range here. Let's crack open the other one. All right, what's this phrase? More is more?
It's never less is more.
No. When it comes to turbos, more is more.
God.
We're expecting twins.
These are expensive twins.
I can't wait, man.
Oh, that's cool.
Did it spin?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. If you listen closely, you hear the sound of my money being burned. So these 2560Rs are ball bearing turbos. Factory turbos are journal bearing, so they don't spool as fast. They take a while. They can be pretty laggy. That's often something that people forget about. They're shooting for these super high horsepower numbers, like, oh, I want 800 horsepower, 900 horsepower. What's drivability like, right? Because you can have an 800 horsepower 300ZX that doesn't really start spooling until 5,000 RPM, and then you got to shift in 2,000 RPM later. So these to me are probably like the best middle ground where you get decent power, but you get great spool, and you're not waiting forever.
Maybe I should get some for the BMW.
You should, bro.
I don't know. Nobody's ever boosted an N62 before. There's a supercharger kit from ESS, but not a turbo kit.
What else is here? Also came with something else.
Give the people what they want.
Okay, fine. So the turbo kit from CZP comes with gaskets, stainless oil lines, bolts and stuff, clamps and things, hoses and the like. These hoses you can trust. Couplers for the turbos. It's the full kit, everything you need. When you're upgrading your turbos, you want new water lines, you want new oil lines, you want new couplers. You're right, do it once. Yeah, so one of the coolest things about the 300ZX is that it actually came with water-cooled turbos from the factory, which is a pretty modern thing. And this was in 1995, so you get a lot of reliability out of even aftermarket turbos. If you got any questions about these 2560Rs, leave them in the comments, let me know. And yeah, they're pretty heavy.
Yeah.
The turbos will make up for the muscles I lack.